These are the Focus supplements from Python, and they are plant-based and good for keto and all those different kinds of things. But really what it's for is better energy and better focus and concentration and memory and vision and all those kinds of things. And they're just shaped in the shape of little gummy bears there. They're just shaped like little gummy teddy bears.
And we could all use that, especially you when we're driving in the big rig down this road. We're full-time in the RV, and so this would be super great for days when we have to travel.
They taste good.
There's like they're not a real chewy gummy. They're more of a.
They kind of almost melt a little bit.
Yeah, so it's got a really good flavor.
They do have a nice flavor, and they're like 3 grams of carbs, 3.5 grams of carbs for adults. Take 2, so per day. You want a second one?
Not a problem.
Yeah, so good stuff. They sent these to us so we could show them to you, and I'll tell you what, they taste good.
Yeah,
they taste fine.
We need a lot of, and who doesn't need more energy?
Yeah, and focus, and you know, get your brain working like it's supposed to. Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Thanks for sending that.